Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to Nepal in search of small elephant. It's a baby elephant called PUNTUri. So I reached Nepal. I took a blessing from Bauta Stupa. After that I'm going to Kathmandu. And then I'm going to the place called Chitwan in search of this baby elephant called PUNTUri. So after traveling for almost 8 hours, I reached the village called Chitwan. It's a very nice place. So after that I took the safari to search this famous elephant, but I could not be able to find him. After asking to the villager, they says that you must visit small village where he used to stay with his owner. So I went to search him. In between you are able to see so many elephants in the place called Chitwan. It's a very nice tourist place. So I asked my driver to go to that village, and then he brought me, and then finally I was near to that village, so I could able to see the baby elephants called PUNTUri with his family. So I went to buy some food, some bananas, some small bamboos, elephant food to feed them. It is not easy to feed them. You have to ask the owner first what to feed them, what is allowed, what is not allowed. You can buy everything from the nearby. It's very easy. And then you have to take permission from the owner, and then you are able to feed them. So we feed all the elephant nearby. It's so cool. After that, I have decided to feed the PUNTUri. The PUNTUri is very popular, extremely popular, because he is extremely playful and gentle, small enough for close interaction, trained to touch the visitor head with the trunk like blessing, and he also put a mala. And then he's very photogenic for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube videos. So I also feed them the bananas. They like it. It's so cool. All the big and small elephants are so gentle and playful. You don't have to afraid. It's very nice. So you can touch them, you can take a blast from them. So here come my popular, everyone popular PUNTUri. So cool, so cute girl. So so if you visit to this place, you don't be able to recreate. It's very nice. So after that I can take pictures and take a blessing from PUNTUri, this small elephant. If you like to take a video, or if you like to take a mala from him, if you like to take a blessing from him, you have to pay the Nepali 200 rupees. So it's like this. He touched my forehead, give it blessing, mala with trunk. It's very nice. So this is the popular PUNTUri baby elephant from Chitwan. It's absolutely worth to visit this village. So thank you so much everyone. It's so nice. Bye. Have a good time. Till next time. Bye.
Aruya acha shisho